again?
Yeah,
Sure,
because you have the feedback from it.
Okay, yeah, I can submit it again. I can do that after this call. Is there any possible way, and I'm not trying to rush, but is there any possible way we can be off by 7:30?
Yeah, if we rush, yeah. I
Let's
think
party.
so. Okay, I'm already answering.
All right, I'm already on number 42.
No, you're not.
That would be cool, actually, but no, you're not. Just kidding.
All right, I'm actually on number 12.
3? 12?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
So what's 3?
3 is 0.
0.743.
I have
3.
0.257.
I got 0.743 and 0.712 for number 4.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, but I thought P1 was the, isn't it the yeses?
So P1, let P1 of the proportion of females in the population be who can taste the PTC. So P1 is the
no. Sorry, I was doing no.
Yeah, so P1 is 52.
No, P1 is not 52.
Yeah, it's the portion of the woman who can taste.
No, it's a division. It's a division. It's X divided by N.
Well, I'm saying we can. Oh, sorry. Let me see.
So 3 is going to be 0.743.
Yeah.
That many. Wait, hold on. The P1 be the proportion of the females in the population that can taste the PTC, and the P2 be the proportion of males population that can taste the PTC. And yeah, okay, never mind. All right, so with that being said, the next one all right, so with this one, it's, I think it's A. Because we're not dealing, so.
Yeah, I was like between A and B.
Well, the reason it's not D is because we're not dealing with P hat right now.
No, but look at this. It says, is the portion of females who can taste PTC different? It's not more or less, so it's the...
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah, and so the only ones that are different are A and D. Because with C and B, those are going, the alternate hypothesis is either greater or less than. So those aren't, like, that is different, but it's not. Do you know what I mean?
Right. So I think that you're going to go with, where's my notebook? It's right in front of me. Sorry.
I never know what is the difference between, well, she just told us in the feedback, but I never know if I put like P with the head or P normal.
The population, the P hat always goes to a P. So when I read lesson 18 for the inference, it says that the null hypothesis is always HO is P1 equals P2.
Mm-hmm.
And the alternative is P1 is not equal to P2, but that could have been in the section I was reading. Because it's not equal to greater or less than.
Okay.
Okay, so for number 6, we're going to do 0.743 minus 0.712, and we're going to get 0.031.
0.031.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What'd you get for number 7, Gio?
0.154.
0.154? Okay, cool, same here.
What did you get for 6?
6, I did 0.743 minus 0.712, and I got 0.031.
Yeah, but
why?
Yeah.
Oh wait, is the P? Is this the P with the hat?
You can input it in the 2-Temple Z test.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Here,
So
let me
it's
pull up the spreadsheet.
So 0.031.
And we want 95. This one is not equal to. So
My heater just turned on, but it feels like it's cooling me down. That's not funny. That's miserable. I'm in Rexburg. Guys, it's been like miserably cold lately.
Cold?
Yeah, cold. Like frio. Frio.
Yeah. Frio. Frio.
Which kind of test is this? Is it a paired sample T or a two sample T? I
two
think
portion.
it's a two sample.
It's two portion.
Two proportions.
Two sample of z-test.
Okay.
The point estimate.
So wait, to find the 6, you just subtract the p-hats?
The point estimate for the 95%, isn't that the z?
P-value? I thought it was p-value.
The
I thought it was
p-value,
just
so
a-
that would be
I thought
0.
it was just the P's minus each other.
I have no idea now. I'm lost.
Yeah, I just thought it was the P hats minus each other. Because like if you look right at number, like right there, it says create a 95% confidence interval for P1 minus P2.
Point estimate for. Where's my estimate for 95%?
Okay, let's go. I can go with the p-value, and you go with the 0.031 cash.
Sure.
Laura, do you want to go with the z-score?
Well, on this, is this going to be? Hold on just a second.
Okay.
So what's the difference on this? So would we divide this by 2 because it's not equal to?
Are we still talking number? Let me see. Sorry, I'm on the spreadsheet. Are we still talking number 6?
Number 6.
I think we would divide. Give me 1 second. Let me see here. I didn't divide it by 2. I literally just did subtraction. That's it. I'm not positive of my answer, but that's all I did.
So on, what were you going to put on there, Giovanna?
She's
I
gonna
put the p-value.
So I did
Okay.
P hats and she did P value, and she just put in the P value. So I did like the P hat 1 minus P hat 2, and then got mine, and she just put in the P value.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to put in 0.154.
Okay. Wait, wouldn't that be?
That's the confidence intervals divided by 2.
So the next question is, what is the margin of error for the
Oh,
confidence
that's
interval?
what that is.
Yeah, that's why.
That's what it is. Okay. What did you want me to put in 6? The
6.
Z?
Well, it's between either Giovanna or me, so it doesn't matter. You can just not submit yours, and we'll submit ours and see which one is right.
Are you doing
Yeah.
the Z-score and Giovanna's doing the p-value?
So I'm
Yeah.
doing the P. Yeah. So
Okay.
Oh, what? For 8, did you get minus 0.123?
Yes.
Yes.
And for 9, 0.185? 9 actually. Yeah, for question 9.
Hey,
No,
can I see somebody's spreadsheet real quick?
No,
Yeah.
9 is
I can try mine.
0.185.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay.
That's what. You said.
It looked like
Okay.
your hair was standing up for a second because the screen like flashed.
Mine.
Yeah, it looked like it was like up like that. All right, let me see here.
Okay, wait, just one sec. Let me just put right here, and then let me share my screen again.
One sec. Let me just get to. I just want to see sugar. In case you guys wondering what my swear word is, it's sugar.
You're what?
I'm not joking.
His
Anytime
swear
I'm about to
word.
swear, like if I ever want to say the S word, I say sugar.
What's going on with?
Yours is like not showing anything.
I
I don't
can
even
see
see you.
hers.
I can't
I
see
can
her.
see hers.
No.
She's got her
No,
screen up there.
I don't know what's going on. Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay. Okay. So give me 1 second. Just want to make sure. Dame un segundo, por favor.
Perfect. No accent at all.
Thank you. Joe es muy gringazo.
True.
Joe speak a good Spanish. Oh. Okay. We can keep going on. I'll catch up. I just want to make sure of a few things.
Okay.
Oh my word, my screen. Oh wait, can you keep your screen up for a little more? And
Yeah, of
scroll.
course.
Sorry.
1 second. Let me put my.
Hey, guys, I got a joke for you.
Okay.
All right, so there's these two muffins, right? And they're in an oven, and obviously the oven's hot. So one muffin looks to the other muffin and says, "My gosh, it's hot in here." And then the other muffin looks and says, "Holy crap, a talking muffin."
Wait, what? What's the end? I didn't even understand.
So there are two muffins in an oven, right?
Yeah.
And one muffin looks at the other muffin and says, "Man, it is hot in here." And then the other one looks and says, "Holy crap, a talking muffin."
Oh my god. Oh my.
It's a dad joke. I'm gonna tell my kids that joke and they're gonna laugh because they feel like they have to or I'll punish them.
Oh my gosh.
Um yours still isn't working. This is weird.
What are you seeing?
I see your picture. The picture of you with your headphones on. Quick heads
Okay.
up, by the way, half your face is missing on that picture. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's a really old picture, but I don't feel like changing from Google Picture.
Are those gang signs I see?
Yeah.
The only symbols I should see you representing are CTR.
Can you see
Choose
now?
the Republican. Yes, I can.
Okay.
Choose the Republicans. I'm kidding. No, I don't talk. I don't talk politics ever.
I never do too.
Yeah, I try really hard not to.
Even though yeah, I would have been a great missionary if I like for Democrat. I mean, not Democrats. I'm not a Democrat for politics. Okay, cool. Yeah. So never mind. Um, yeah, we're all okay. Yeah, we're good. I had it on. a different type of test, but we're good.
Okay.
All right, so we're on number what? 8, 9?
We
9 you got.
Oh, so we're on 9. So we're on 10.
10 is A.
Yeah, failed to
Yeah.
reject the HO.
10 is A, and then 11 I put D.
That's what I
yeah.
put.
Yeah.
Okay, so 12, the conditions for conducting the hypothesis test are satisfied. So I'll read it out loud. Is that cool?
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course.
So let P1 be the proportion of patients who had a heart attack and were admitted on a weekday who died, and let P2 be the proportion of patients who had a heart attack and were admitted on a weekend and who died. This is really morbid already. The research
Yes.
question for this study is given here. Is the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on a weekday who die less than the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and admitted on the hospital on the weekend who die. Use a significance level of 0.05. So the conditions for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. I'd say so.
Because it's greater to or less than 10.
So P1 less than P2?
No. What you have to do is you have to do N1 times P1, and then you have to get a total, and then you have to do N2 times P2 and get a total, and then you have to do the P1 times 1 minus P1 and get a total for that. And is it greater than or less than 10? And then you have to do the P2 times 1 minus P2 and get a total, and is it greater than 10? So when you look at this, the N1 times P1 equals 16,713, so that's greater than 10.
But I feel like
Okay.
with this, all you really have to do is just look at the data.
Yeah, but if the data's too close, then you do have to do that.
Okay.
So my question is on the Excel spreadsheet on the type of test. Do we put P greater than P2, P1 less than P2?
Well, it depends on what the question is, because this one is the proportion of patients who have a heart attack and are admitted to the hospital on the weekdays who die less
You said
than the
weekdays.
proportion of the patients. I know I did.
I don't know why that's so funny.
Because sometimes you just want to do that. So it would be P1 is less than
P2. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I already answered until 16 then.
Okay, well, let's see.
I just don't have I just don't know. Oh, yeah, so 13 it's going to be D, right?
Hold on just 1 second. I'm going to input these in here too.
Same here, 1 sec.
Okay.
Sugar.
So,
sorry. Excuse my language.
So on 13, which of the hypotheses is appropriate for the research question? So we want to do D, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
And
we're
14,
trying to see if P1 is less than P2.
and so P1.
Let me just put the. One, 6, 7, 1, 3. Shoot, that's wrong. 1, 6, 7, 1, 3, and 1, 0, 1, 8, 0, 6.
Hey guys, I already submitted mine.
How'd you do?
Speedy.
Yes.
How'd you do?
How did you do?
So we got everything. Okay, 19 out of 21. So
Which one?
okay, let me
19
tell you
out of 20?
the last questions because 19 out of 21. Let
How
me
come
tell
there's
you
21?
the last questions because I got it right.
Sure, I'm listening.
Okay, so 12 is true. 13
Hold on just a second.
Okay,
Let me
sorry.
go back up there. 12
Okay.
is true.
Uh-huh. 13 is D.
Okay.
14 is 0.141.
Okay.
15 is 0.145.
Okay.
16 is minus 2.02.
Okay.
And then 17 is to the left.
Hey, like the song. Right.
And then 18 is 0.022. And then 19 is reject the null hypothesis.
19 is reject. Okay.
And then 20, it's C.
C.
Okay, and so which one did you get
So-
wrong?
The ones we got wrong were the question 6 that I put, like Cash put like one answer, I put the other one. So
And
I
that's
think it's
it?
what you're saying, 0.031, because I put 0.693.
All right, let me
So what
let me
was
check.
yours on 6, Cash? 0.3 what?
0.031.
And then 5, did you guys put A or D? Because I put D. I think it's A.
I
Did
put
you get 5
A.
wrong?
Yeah, I got 5 wrong, but I put D. I think I should have put
Oh,
A.
I put A. I put A as well.
Okay, so yeah. So
One
question
sec,
5 is
Laura. Don't
A.
submit yet.
Okay.
So I got 100.
So it is
Yay.
0.031.
Yes,
Okay.
0.031 and A.
Okay, I'm gonna open mine and then can you guys just actually I already know the answers. You guys don't even need to repeat for me.
I can wait on if you need. I have 10 seconds. I'm kidding now.
I can wait.
Yeah, so can I. We don't mind.
Okay. Nah, we're fine. I have all the questions. The question, let me just put the question that I got wrong. It's 0.031, right?
0.031, yeah.
Okay.
Let me double check to make sure I'm not lying to you guys. And so all I did to get that one was p hat 1 minus p hat 2.
Okay.
And that's question 6.
Yeah, so it's 0.031.
Yeah, so I'm good. I have all of the other questions then.
Awesome. Well, Gio, you're a stud. You definitely led the team tonight. And Laura, you've led the team every other night. So.
Now, are we meeting tomorrow night?
Yeah, I can meet at 8, but I don't think Gio can.
Yeah, I cannot. If I can, I'll let you know, but it's probably a no.
Okay,
okay.
so that means I need to be home by 10 my time.
Okay, so I'll just email you everything, okay, Gio?
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good
luck.
night.
Have fun. That just means tomorrow morning I have to get up and read this next chapter.
Sorry about
Alright.
that. I just, I should have told you earlier because I've known since, earlier this week, which is yesterday. No, Friday, actually. I've known since Friday. But
okay.
we just got our car fixed, and we've needed to get it registered. We've been doing temporary registrations, but we've already done the last one that we can, and so we need to actually go and get it registered for the year. But it's registered in Utah, and that's how we get, a really cheap insurance. And so we have to keep it registered in Utah.
Mine is registered in Idaho, and I'm in Utah now.
We should just swap. No, because have you guys ever heard of Bear River Insurance?
Yes.
No.
Well, we have Bear River Insurance. It's through so it's like in Utah. If your car is registered in Utah and you have a Utah license, you can get it. And the way it works is if you don't do any drugs, if you don't smoke or anything like that, then you get their rates. But if you crash, you can't have any of that on your breath or anything, then they don't cover you at all. And so my wife and I have full coverage on both of our cars for only $98 a month.
Wow.
98?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really good actually, because I have, for me, my sister and my mom, for 194.
Yeah, my wife and I, we had liability for both cars on another company. It was $130 a month, and that's liability. And
Yeah.
if we get liability for these two cars on this company, it'll be $67 a month.
Wow.
That's really good. What is the name again? Let me write it down.
It's Bear River Mutual.
Bear.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like growl. Yeah.
Like
I'm not-
a grizzly
like-
bear.
Yeah, there
Oh,
you go.
okay.
I was gonna do this, so
Okay, I found it.
yeah. and
Perfect.
So
Yeah, because my mom has a car from Utah, so.
it's just find the right insurance agent though, because the first I called a few different places. The first place wouldn't deal with me because I didn't have a mortgage, and I didn't have like 10 years of credit. But as long as you have like a credit score over 700, you're fine.
Oh, okay. Sounds good then.
All right, guys,
Perfect.
have a good night. I'll submit the paperwork and everything.
Okay,
Okay.
and I'll submit this meeting.
Okay, awesome. Good
Okay,
night, guys.
guys. See ya.